What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Drea. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you. If by the end of this video you like what you see, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I created this cute makeup look. So if you guys would like to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, first I'm going to start off by using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil as my base for my shadow primer. And yes, I am using white because I want my colors to really pop and show. And once I'm done applying it, I'll take a brush and I'll start to pat it in, as you can see, rather than using swipe motions. And today I'll be using my James Charles palette. And I'll take this yellow shade first and I'll use it as my transition shade. Alright, and now I'm going to take this burnt orange shade from the palette and I'm going to apply that just below my transition color. So like a little bit above my crease. And I'm going to pack that in first before I start to blend. Alright, so now going in with this dark purple shade from the palette, I'm going to also apply that, I'm going to apply that to my crease. And I'm going to pack it in first before I blend. Okay, so now I grabbed the different blending brush and now I'm going to start to blend that purple upwards into the color before that. Okay, and now I'm just going in with the other colors that I used previously, just to put more color, because I kind of lost a little bit while I was adding my other color. And I'm also trying to blend all the colors together. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Alright, now going back into the palette, I'm going to take this blue shimmery shade and I'm going to apply that to my cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going back in with that purple shade that I used previously, and I'm going to apply that to my outer corner and also to the edge of that blue shimmery shade, just to try to blend the purple into the blue so I won't have like a harsh line. And this is a different brush. So I'm just going in and I'm trying to blend it. Okay, so now I'm taking my Morphe revitalizing primer, foundation primer, and I'm just gonna apply that first. And then I go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'll have the name in the description box below. And I'm just gonna use this brush to blend it in. Alright, so now going in with my favorite concealer, which is the CoverGirl concealer. I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my eyes and the bridge of my nose. I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that in. Alright, so now I'm just taking my Juvia's Place translucent powder, and I'm just baking underneath the places. Well, I'm baking the places where I highlighted, so that's underneath my eyes and just down the bridge of my nose. And I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to dust away any leftover powder on my face. And then I take my Morphe setting spray and I just give my face a good spray with it. Okay, so now these are the lashes that I'm going to be applying, and I'm going to also apply them off camera along with my mascara and my eyeliner, my black eyeliner. Okay, now so I'm just going to take that purple that I used on my lid and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes. And I also use the pink shade as well underneath my eyes in the middle. I think I used the blue. Yeah, I use the blue as well underneath my eyes, and I use the blue in my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette and I'm going to use this pink shimmery shade for my highlight in my inner corners in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm also going to use that down the bridge of my nose to highlight as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe bronzing palette and I'm going to use that to bronze my cheeks and my forehead, and also the sides of my nose. Alright you guys, so this is my finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you go down below and give me a thumbs up. And also make sure you leave a comment letting me know what you guys think about this look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.